You can exchange currencies using Elegro Wallet. To do this, go to Exchange tab in the left menu. Choose the currency you are going to exchange and currency you would like to receive, specify the amount of the coins for exchange. The number of received coins will be generated automatically. Then choose a wallet to exchange. In case you don't have a wallet to receive coins, you should generate it. For this, click Generate Wallet and Exchange button. The wallet will be automatically generated and the exchange transaction will be made. After a successful exchange and wallet creation, messages about it will appear. Click Go to Wallets button to check the balance. Click on Wallet's address and then on Exchanges tab to view the details of the exchange.